Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the BISP solution. BISP is a tech company which provides technical solution across the world. My name is Umesh, and today we are going to talk about loading multi-column data under the data management. So we will discuss this concept. Here I will move to the instance first. For which firstly we will go to the 1 minute. We will open here the instance. Here the username is there, and we have to fill the password under it. So we will manually enter the password here. Once we will enter the password, and then we will do the process. Then we will do the actual process. Here we have entered the password, and uh, now the application have been opened. Hmm. So this is our application, and here firstly I will show our batch file. This is our batch file, and we will we will load the multi-column data. Here you can see there are different columns: account, entity, and the amount column. So it's a multi-column and multi-period also, like the Jan, Feb, and March month. So the period is also different, and column is also multi-column. So firstly we will see the instance. Here there is an this is one instance we can see. So we will create a vision, or according to it we can also change our account and entry dimension. Here we can see, like, firstly we will see the particular dimension of our. So the dimension, we will see firstly the dimension. Here the dimension, so we will open the dimension here. Yeah, this is our dimension, and under that dimension, here the particular dimension here we can see. So like under financial account, we have also balance sheet planning and some other concept of cash planning here. Here the balance sheet, the total assets and total liability. Here the total current assets, and when we open the current assets, so here the cash and investment. Under it there is also cash in bank and other cash. So suppose we are taking the particular dimension here. So this is one of the account here. Here the cash in this is the cash in bank. So firstly we will remove the application and then we will create the vision application here, so that we can perform the particular steps, because the account entity and our file is totally created on the basis of vision application. Here the GL code of account is also for the vision, and entity is also for according to the vision. So let me change the instance first. We will remove the PBCS and we will create the PBCS application here. So this is the overview, and here I will remove the application and create the PBCS application with an application first, and then we will perform the step. Here we have removed the application here, and now we will open the application again. So we will, yeah, now we will create a sample application here. We will go to create a sample application here. Once the application would created, then we can open it. Here our application creation is in process. So we will open it. Yeah. So now I think our application have been created. Yes, our vision application has been created. So we will firstly go to the data exchange. Yeah, here is a data exchange. So under the data exchange, firstly we will go to create an application first. This is the application, and here we will go to create a data source. So we will create a file, our data source file. We can see the data source file. Yeah, this is also one data source file is also there, but we will create a one file. Yes, so here is the data source, and under each we will select the particular file. File name would be file1. Here the same we will create the target application apm local all cube here, and if we want to give any prefix, so we can do so. So now we have created the vision application also, and the target application is also we have created. Here we will move to the application mapping. Here the period mapping we will see, and in the period mapping here is the application mapping. So in the application mapping our target application is also there, vision. Here we will select the particular period. The period could be any. We can select like our first period would be uh, December to January. So we will take, suppose we are taking uh, yes, this is Jan month, so we will pick it here. This is the Jan month. Here we will add one another column like yes. After Jan we will also select per month, and we will also pick March month. March month. This is the March month. So this 3 month which we have selected, and here we will click on save. So this is successfully saved in the application mapping, and we will click on this, and now we will go to the data management. So here the data management is out there, and now we will do the import format. So we will open the import format first, and under it we will we will create a particular. So here we will give the particular name for our file, like this is multi-column, so multi multi-column multi-column import format multi-column import format. This is the name of our file, and here the file name would be delimited all data type. Here description, target is also vision. This target is also a vision. We will select the same here, and file delimiter is a comma. Yes, under this, when we go for it, and then we will click on save. Yes, here we would see the account. So the under account, um, we will copy the same, and same thing we will paste. This is our first column here. Here the data column. This is the entity column. So the entity, this is our entity column. So we will also paste the entity column here. This is our column 2, and if we talk about the amount column, so yeah, this is second column. So the amount column, we can't see the particular amount column. So for that amount column, we will we have to go to the data exchange, and under data exchange, under the data exchange we will go to the particular application. Yeah, so here we will see the particular target application which we have created. So under that application we will see that how many dimension which we have selected. So we will choose here, and here we will click on add icon, and we will, yeah, we will remove it first. We will remove it, and now for this we will select amount, and here this is the amount. We can pick any of these for it, like the UT1, not UT1, ICP. Yes. So we will also pick this. This is the version, product, and the HSP view. Here the particular column which we have selected first. Here we will go to the data management. We will delete this import format and we will add another import format here. So for that import format we will write multi-column multi-column here. Our target application will be with we will select it here, and file delimiter is a comma. So here we will save it first, and now we can see the amount column. We can see the particular amount column here. So firstly we will paste the account and their sequence here. Here the amount column would be third column, so we will paste the same, and this is our third column. Our the entity column is second column, so the entity column we will bring it here, and HSP view would be base data. So the our HSP view would be base data here. So for this we will pick any of the column. For the product we can choose no product here. Version would be working version. Here the data, so for the data we can choose any of the column, like yeah, data would be we can choose either this column we can choose here. So here the amount column we will add expression here, because in our batch file we can see the particular amount is from third to fifth column. So for the expression type, and the expression value, here the particular column I can't see the particular column which I want to select here. Delimited all data vision description of particular column, and here is also sample. So here we will delete the particular column. This is the delete column. Yeah. So for the data column, we will choose uh, data here. We will write the data here, and we will select the third number of column, because data generally a numerical value. So for this, we will keep this value as a data. This is account amount data, and the entity HSPB product version is the same thing. So we have selected the particular kind of things, and our file we have these three columns. Yeah. So here the expression which we want to add particular uh, for these, there is some value. It's a 3, 5. This is the amount, and expression value could be 3 to 5. Yes. Fill 3 to 5. So we have selected the particular amount here, and now we will save it first. Here we have saved, and now we will go to the location. Here under the location, this is add option, and for this we will create a location first. Multi-column location. Multi-column location. So the import format would be multi-column import format here, and source is a file one. Functional currency description, parent location. Here the same way which we have selected, and we will click on save. So import format and location we have successfully done. Now we will go uh, to our next function. This is our data load mapping and data load rule. So after successful completion of location, and after the location we will go for the data load mapping. Here under the data load mapping we will go to the like mapping, and for the like mapping uh, here the account. So for account we will choose a star to star mapping. Here the where is the star? Yeah, so this is a star to star mapping, and we will give the name of particular mapping, and we will save the same. After account we will take the entity column, and for the entity column we will also do star to star mapping. Rule 2, where the amount under amount we will do the star to star mapping. Account entity amount, here the HSP view. For the HSP view would be star to base data here. This is a rule 4. And the product would be, for the product here would be to star to no product. Star to no product, and this would be our rule 5. Version would be working version. So for this we will select a star to working version. A star to working version. This is, yeah. So here this is rule number 6 which we have created. So we have saved it. Yeah. Here our location is a multi-column, and the period is a we will select the particular period. Period would be Jan, and we will select Jan. Jan 20 here. Yeah. So we will select it here and do the same. Our the category, what could be the category here? Yes, the category would be file or vision. Our category could be same, I think. Yes. So source file one. Yeah. So we will do the same thing here, and which we have done. So now we will go for the data load rule. After data load mapping, we will go to the data load rule and we will create the particular rule here. So we will create DLR and data load rule. We will select data load rule multi column. The import format, we will select the particular multi-column. Import format, target plan type, plan 1 here. Yes, and the file name which we will select once we will create the target file. This is the target file. So we will create it and save on desktop. So which we have saved the target file. We will open it and under the desktop. Yeah, this is our file, target file. Here we have chosen the file. We will click on OK. Here we have done the target file selection, and now we have to execute it. Here the import from source and export to target. The start period is Jan and the end period would be March. Replace stored data would be here we will run error in the load method must be set to all data type for the application associated with the data rule. So end period would be March. Yes, we will check it. This is the error. The load method must be set to all data type for the application associated with this data role. So we have to select the all data type rule. Yes, I think while while creating the import format, uh, we have selected the particular import format, delimited all data type. We have selected delimited all data type as a file type. The reason of error, we will try first, and then we can see the particular reason behind it. We will see. Firstly, we will change the name of particular file. Probably the reason of generally because of the file name. Here we will see the file name here. Here we will move to the particular file. There is some error while loading the data here. That's why the problem is occurring. We will try these steps. We will try the same steps. Here I will select the particular file. This is our file. File XLS. This is our particular file, and we will pick it here. Here we will use execute here. This is the import, and here the export to target. End period would be March 20. Here the file name would be, we will select, so we will select it here, and here the period key date format, and we will try to run it. Here the same error is coming. We will try tomorrow this process. There is some error coming. We will try the same steps tomorrow. But the steps which we have performed is also the same. We can load the multi-column data with the help of these steps. If you have any problem, then you can feel free to ask me. We have completed today's session of multi-column. Now I will end up the session. Today we were facing some error while loading multi-column data, while loading that file. We will discuss it tomorrow. If you have any query, then you can feel free to ask me. Now I will end up this session here. That's it for today. Yeah, that's it. चले हो गया